Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick before we get started, just a quick reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy our content. That all really helps us out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 94. If we start with this box, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing a 7. For this box, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 4 here, so 5, 4. If we look at this row, we're missing 2, 3, and 8. We've got a 2 and 3 here, so this is our 8. 3 here, so 2, 3. For this row now, we're missing 2, 4, and 5. We've got 2 and 5 here, so this is our 4. And this 2 means this is our 5, 2. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 4. For this box, we're missing 6, 7, and 9. We've got a 6 and 9 here, so this is our 7. 6 here, so this is our 9, 6. For this column, we're just missing a 1. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing a 7. For this box, we're missing 2, 5, and 9. We've got 2 and 9 here, so this is our 5. 9 here, so 2, 9. For this top row now, we're missing 1, 5, and 8. We've got a 5 covering both of these boxes, so our 5 has to be here. 8 here, so 1, 8. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 2 here, so 7, 2. To finish out this row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're missing an 8. For this column now, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 2 here, so 7, 2. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 6. I don't see any help. So 1, 6, 1, 6. If we look at this column, we're missing 1, 6, and 7. We've got a 1 here, so 6, 7. 7 here, so 1, 6. That means the only place our 7 can be is here. For this column, we're missing 1, 5, and 6. We've got a 5 and 6 here, so that makes this our 1. That 1 makes this our 6, 5, and that 1 makes this our 6, 1. For this row now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing a 7. For this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, we're missing an 8. For this row now, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 6, 9. And to finish out this box, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 1 and 5. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.